JJ Ortiz 09, get at me. I'm about to do a bike check. Okay, I just got a new frame, new chain, cranks, sprocket, bottom bracket. That's about it. On pedals, grips. So let's start. Is the Cardinal Quintero V2 frame. Let's go to the front. Well, right now I got a Demolition Bulimia hub, Primo spokes, to Odyssey Quadrant rim, Animal GLHR folding tires, 2.10 I think, no 2.21. I don't think you can see it. It's right there. Cool fork. I got a Verde fork. I got a Verde headset. Shadow Attack stem. I've had this for like 5 years now. Nah, but I had this for a while. Shadow Voltus bars. The rise is 8. Width is I think 27. I'm too sure. Shadow. Then I got the Coat Van grips. Waffle. Whatever you coat thing. Yeah. Alright, let's go to the middle now. I got a Animal stripe seat. Seat post, I'm not sure right now. My frame comes with a integrated seat clamp. Knew that. Drivetrain is Shadow Scream hub. Chain wheel sprocket. I got an Animal, red Animal bottom bracket. Coat cranks. Odyssey twisted pedals. Right now, I kept breaking my coat chain, half link, so I sent it back to Coat. I'm waiting for them to send me a new one. So my local bike shop sold me this one for $20. It's half link chain. Got to put it on today and all. Pretty good. It's like an orange, red, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. Coat Doomsday pegs, front and back. Shadow hub guard. And let's go to the back. I got a FAFK folding tire fit. I do not get this tire. I've only had this worst tire I have ever had, and bald, has no grip, no nothing. Is a 2.10, 20 by 2.10, 110 psi. I got a complete DK Orbit hub, the best back rim I know. The spokes haven't gotten loose yet. It's still straight, and I've severed some hard falls. That's about it. I don't think I missed anything. Yeah, that's about it. Like, subscribe, comment, and that's it.